Hard work and dedication are the words that definitely work for E Restoration Llc. For more than 18 years, we have been developing our professional services around Elizabeth, New Jersey. We are pleased to offer you the services of kitchen remodeling, cabinet remodeling, door and windows installation, flooring services, and more. For more information about our professional company, you can call us at 908-422-8913 and please visit our website at lerestorations.com. E Restoration Llc, ensuring the highest quality always.